Minute drive, and that's from 95th into downtown. Outbound's all good. 57 is delay free, but the Bishop Ford inbound, you are seeing heavy traffic from 115th into the Dan Ryan. That's a 22-minute commute, 8094 into the merge. No outbound delays. Lakeshore Drive northbound heavy from Navy Pier to Chicago Avenue. Southbound heavy approaching Chicago Avenue as well. On the Tri-State flowing northbound, you're slow approaching 290. Southbound Tri-State slow from Halsted to the Bishop Ford. The southbound of the Tri-State backing up because you're seeing heavy traffic trying to get into northwest Indiana. 8094 eastbound heavy from the Ford to Torrance. Get traffic and weather together on the 8s every 10 minutes on News Radio 780 and 105.9 FM.
Sunshine throughout most of Chicagoland, some lingering clouds, and there is a possibility of occasional pop-up showers and thunderstorms. We're heading to a high of 87 degrees. Right now it's 81. WBBM News Time, 11:30. This is Chicago's all-news station. News Radio 780 at 105.9 FM and WBBMNewsRadio.com. Good morning, I'm Cisco Cotto. These are the top stories on News Radio WBBM. An Inspector General report paints a grim picture of life in U.S. border detention centers. Latest just ahead from CBS News. President Trump going big in his plans for the national 4th of July celebration.
Heavy rain brings unwanted water to one Westmont neighborhood. This is Rachel Pearson with the details.
This is Mike Krause.